With over 10 years of expertise in railway, Suzhou Torail provides a one-stop supply chain for global customers. Our products cover freight wagons, shunt locomotives, tourist trains, track accessories, maintenance workshop equipment, and coach interiors. Based on Chinese advanced railway technologies, we integrate top domestic manufacturers and enforce strict quality control to meet international standards. Guided by professionalism as foundation, integrity for win-win cooperation, we deliver reliable, efficient services to overseas railway customers. Suzhou Torail, your trusted global railway partner.